Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and in case you're new here, I do these CVS Shop With Me's every single Thursday. And yeah, I just take you along, see what kind of deals we can find, and see what extra bucks, coupons on the CVS app, plus whatever else kind of deals I can find. I mostly get makeup, but I do get a few other things, and I don't try to get things for like pennies or free. I just try to get stuff I want for a great bargain. So let's go see what we can find this week. Alright, the first thing I want to get is the Covergirl. Any Covergirl cosmetics, spend 15, get 7 extra bucks. I want to try out this, which is the Covergirl Outlast All Day Primer, and it's going for $13.49. And I also want to get this M20, color M20, which is the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and it's going for $10.99. And I think I will get the Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Nut Chewy Granola Bars, which are going for $1.99 each. I think I'll just get one of these. And also get a Cocoa Pebbles and Fruity Pebbles cereal for $1.99 each. Now I'm going to get this Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Playful Natural Looking Color. I can't pronounce that. Anyway, I'm getting 2 of these because I need to spend 15 to get the 5 extra bucks, and they're only $13.99. And yeah, I just haven't tried them yet, so hopefully they're good. Yeah, let's just hope for the best, because I do like these, but I've never tried this one, but hopefully it's just as good. Alright, the next thing is spend 12 on LA Girl Cosmetics, and you get 6 extra bucks. And I have almost all of these colors. All I need is these 2, which is, what is this? That's the flesh color, and this one is berry wine. So, and that will equal about $6. And then I'll get 2 of these. I got this one, and I believe I have this one. So I'm going to get this one and this one. And that, let's see, 6 plus 8. Yeah, that'll be over 12. So, yeah, I'll try these 2. Alright, this is the best sale I've seen Milani have. It's the buy one, get one half off. Plus, you get 6 extra bucks when you buy $12 worth. So, these are going for $8.99 each. And that would be like 9 each, which would be 18. So that would fall in the 12. Well, no, because it's buy one, get one half off. So $8.99 each. So let's say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, still should be alright. I'm going to get these 2, which is the Luster Light and, what does that say? Fanny Pack. Cute. Okay, now Ardell is having, what is it? Oh wait, that's Select Ardell and Kiss False Lashes. Okay, so I'm going to spend 10 and get 4 extra bucks. I think I got these last time, so I want to try these. I'm pretty sure I've had these before, but they was cute anyways, and they're going for 16, so I'll get those extra bucks. Alright, let's see what the damage is this week. So, here's the first transaction that I put on the counter, and I got the 2 Jergens Instant Sunless Tanner, and yeah, I got an employee discount of 20%, so that knocked off $5.60. There was a Jergens Natural Glow coupon on the CVS app, and that took $1.50 off. Then I had $9 extra that I had previously, so I put that on there, and so I only spent $13.22, and that left me saving $16.10, which is a 58% savings on that. And then I also got some extra bucks to use on the next transaction. And then I got the Ardell False Mink 4-pack lashes, and it was a regular $11.79. Or no, okay, the original price was $16.79. I had the $5 coupon from the Sunless Tanner from before, and I put that on effect, and I got an employee discount of $3.36. And that's left me paying $9.77. And let's see, so I saved $8.36, which is 50% savings on that. And then I got some extra bucks to use on the next transaction. And I got the Covergirl Outlast Primer and the Covergirl True Blend Matte Foundation, which was originally $13.49 and $10.99. I had the extra buck from the previous transaction, the 4 extra bucks. So it left me paying $22.93, which isn't that great, but whatever, still a great price. I only saved $4. Probably so. Okay, anyways, so it only saved me $4 because of the 4 extra bucks. But then I had, which was a 16% savings. But then I got some other extra bucks. Then I got the Milani lip glosses in Luster and Fanny, or something like that, and they was regular $8.99 each. And then I had a CVS coupon. I think that was the extra bucks, $7 extra bucks from the Covergirl, pretty sure. And let's see, okay, and that left me a total of $11.50 of savings, which is a 46% savings. Then on the next transaction, I got the LA Girl lip liners and lip paints. I had an employee discount of 20% and knocked it down to $80. And then I had the extra bucks from the previous purchase of $6, which left me paying $6.28, and that saved me $8.80, 63% savings on that one. And then the last thing, I got the cereals and that, like, those little bar things, Nature Valley bar, and I used my $6 coupon, the extra buck, and that left me paying tax, and that's cool, with 60 cents, and that was 100% savings, and I saved $14.27 on that. So all in all, I added all so y'all could see, I spent only $59.93, and I actually saved $63.03. So that was pretty good. Alright, sorry about the air going on, but it's really hot out here, so I was not going to sweat to death. I have to clock in less than 15 minutes. So, but I hope you enjoyed this. I'm really happy, and I can't wait to play with these products the next week or more. And yeah, in case you don't follow me already on Instagram, I get to play with these products on a daily basis over there on my Instagram. It's Valerie Dison if you want to look me up. It's also linked in the description box below, along with a whole playlist of my past CVS shop with me's. And yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I would love to see y'all on the next time. Alright, bye.